Stress doesn't disappear because you earn more. It disappears when your money has structure. Today, we build a financial system that works automatically, even when you don't think about it. Step 1. Separation. One account for income, one for monthly expenses, one for emergency reserve, one for investments. When money is mixed, stress grows. When money is separated, clarity appears. Step 2. Protection. 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a safe, liquid account. This is not for investing, it is for sleeping well. Step 3. Automation. Choose broad market ETFs. Set a fixed monthly transfer. Remove decision-making, remove emotion. Let consistency do the work. A stress-free system is boring. No constant checking, no reacting to headlines. Review once or twice a year. Adjust only if your life changes, not because the market moves. Your system must reflect your enough number. Clear monthly expenses, clear savings rate, clear long-term target. When the destination is defined, the journey becomes calm. This system does not promise luxury. It promises stability. And stability is the foundation of freedom. Wealth without stress is built on structure, not intensity. In the final episode, we'll talk about the mindset required to stay calm for decades. Subscribe. Build wealth without stress.